In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a table in Notion. Notion is a versatile productivity tool favored by many for its ability to combine notes, tasks, databases, and more. Tables are a key feature, allowing you to organize data efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to Notion, understanding how to duplicate these tables can save you time and enhance your workflow. Let's dive right into it. First, navigate to your Notion workspace where the table you want to copy is located. Once there, locate the page or the section on your dashboard where the table resides. If the table is within a database, you'll want to open that particular page containing the database. Finding the right location is crucial because copying a table from the correct place ensures that all the formatting and data remains intact. When you've found your table, hover over the top left corner until you see a 6-dot icon appear. This icon is your handle for manipulating the entire block, which, in this case, is your table. With your mouse hovering over these dots, click and see the options that appear. Here, clicking allows you to select the table, highlighting it to indicate that it's been properly selected for the next steps. Next, once your table is highlighted, use your keyboard to initiate the copy function. You can do this by pressing Command-C if you're using a Mac or Control-C if you're on a Windows PC. This step is crucial because it stores your table data and format into the clipboard, making it ready for pasting. Now that your table is copied, decide where you would like to paste it. If you're looking to duplicate it within the same page, simply scroll to the desired area. If it's on a different page or even another workspace, navigate there. Once positioned in the new location, click on the page to ensure your cursor is active. This ensures that when you paste, the table will appear exactly where you intend it to be. Finally, the last step is to paste your copied table. This is as simple as pressing Command-V on a Mac or Control-V on a Windows machine. When you do this, your table along with all of its data and formatting will appear in your new selected location, looking exactly as it did in the original spot. With these straightforward steps, you've successfully duplicated a table in Notion. Remember, copying tables can be a huge time saver, especially when setting up similar workflows or when you want to maintain consistent formatting across different pages. Practice these steps a few times, and they'll quickly become second nature, streamlining your interaction with Notion's powerful tools. Thanks for following along today, and happy organizing!